In Durable project, we are going to apply novel navigation and surveillance technologies that have been successfully applied in the last year to robotics, specifically to the inspection of petrochemical and also civil infrastructures. Now in Durable, we are going to adapt them in order to make more cost efficient and also safer and faster inspection of renewable energy infrastructure. Specifically in Durable, we are going to develop technologies applied to UAVs, UGVs, and also novel NDT technologies.
And one of the things that's been happening in the past with drones is that, and here's one here, we've got you working, and we've been making them closer and closer to things. And what a lot of people have been doing is using them to inspect, to look at buildings and bridges and things like that. But one of the things we want to do in the future is also move so close that we touch them, we can work on them and repair them. But here in the Durable project, we're going to use them for repairing solar farms, wind turbines and things like that. So it's exciting times ahead.
We consider using multi-copter drones with autonomous intelligent navigation capabilities. For this purpose, we will equip the UAVs with several sensors like thermal and visual cameras, but also with 3D LiDAR devices. This will allow us to build a real-time map of the environment and to navigate safely while avoiding the infrastructure and other UAVs.
So UGV stands for Unmanned Ground Vehicle, and in our case it's a mobile platform with a robotic manipulator assembled on the top. We can use this to do inspection and possibly maintenance of the solar farms. And it has several sensors, some of them like a laser scanner for navigation so that it can move around and know where it is. Then it has cameras, and the cameras can be used to detect problems in the solar panels, for instance, and we include thermal cameras.
Advanced NDT technologies like thermography provide clean and contactless inspections, which is something new with respect to traditional manual techniques like magnetic particles and dipenetral testing, which are the ones usually used in industry nowadays. Thermography, or active thermography, is based on the fact that when you heat a material and it has a defect, the area remains warmer than the rest of the component, and this is how we detect those defects in a component or a sample with a thermal camera.
Durable solutions will help to reduce the operation and maintenance costs, and therefore making the renewable generation more affordable, thus reducing the carbon footprint.